Welcome back, all viewers, all subs to the trendy dancehall. You see me? So this is gonna be based on the behalf of like Jamaican news. You see me? So this is the latest that's been taking place in Jamaica. So I'm gonna share it all with you guys. So please subscribe if you're new. Alright guys, so police have been told for the longest while that bodies were being buried at Waterloo Lane in Rivoli, that's St. Catherine. But they weren't that sure until yesterday when the cops, you know, found evidence of it. So I'm mad thing people, as can see, you see me, the remains of two humans yesterday was dug from a shallow grave, you see me. Zimmer peeps. So like after members of the security force conducted an excavation in a section of the riverbed in Waterloo Lane section of the community. Zimmer, so acting deputy commissioner of the police Fitzroy Bailey Zimmer, him end up said that approximately 2.5 years the police have been receiving information that there was possibly bodies were being buried at that site. Yeah, guys, so far the people them like have it for said this is what we believe is major gravesite of one of our major gangs, is it? So they must say this, is coordinated by the Klangsman gang basically, is me. The senior cop said DNA technology would be used. So basically them test DNAs of the bodies and thing. Them forensic thing they go. So to identify the bodies which he estimated may have been buried for at least 4 years. You see me? So the discovery of the human remains did not come by surprise to at least one resident who, unlike others, said that he had rumors that the riverbed was being used as a burial site by criminals. So residents of the same district even come out and say, yo, people are say straight up, they never smell this, and it smell so like dead body. Yet you see my peeps. Then again, the people them a say, them know say people with, short dead dog and them think that them place there, but they should them not sure if bury them a bury body and them someday, you see me? Yeah, so, well, all me have to say, you see me, them get tricked. Yeah, but end of the day, my hear say security force go away with a whole heap of man from the area, you see me, the other day, so one of them probably fall under pressure and talk. Residents said that basically, so, you see me people, so it have a lot of different things for like, draft up and talk about this. When you check the level people, like, alright, so them said the bodies were, buried there for like over 4 years basically. And them always suspect say somebody buried it. And them just can't find the specific spot there, you get me? And if you hear say police draw a couple man from the area and then come back with sourceful information fake and like direct something so easily after 4 years or 5 years, I don't know. You see me? Like, enough pressure come behind that. I feel like say somebody somebody give up them good information there, you see me? Well, that's how me think. And I know enough people probably are gonna disagree and some people will agree, but here we go on. Me, I tell you straight up how me feel about the situation, you see me, and what take place at the same time, you see me? And me feel like somebody inform and give out them information when you check your level. The whole thing just shake up cause like anybody will give out them information, them sorry for them, you see me? Them place the wild, you see me? Them place they in a place for say you got do certain thing and get away. You get broke up them place there. I'm gonna ask you which and you want me broke. The right one or the left, them I tell you to tell them which one, them way them people then I play them place there. You see my people, so I don't know the style, the trendy dancer representing. Yeah, man, people, so me I wait for the rest of news and information come out so I can share that with you. But so far, at the end of the video, this guys, so please do subscribe, like, share to a friend, family, it doesn't matter. You see me? And take care of yourself. You see it? Out.